Okay, so it's November 6th, 2016. What a fabulous day. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna watch my basketball float down the little creek here at Cedar. Alright, here it goes. Let's see if I get kind of cool how it goes. Like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of cool. I like how it's like a green, like glow in the dark type of ball that. When I jumped into that too, it felt so good. I was kind of stalling right there for a little bit. Oh yeah. Looks tight. Right. Let's see how far it'll go until it stops, because it might not stop, but depending on which path it goes down. It's right there a little bit. Woo. It's just like staying in motion right there. Kind of cool. Now it's going a little bit. Oh, nice. Kind of just stays right there for a little bit. Now it's coming down. It's coming down. Ladies and gentlemen, it's coming down. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I just stopped right there on the rocks. Wow, 2 little rocks can stop a basketball like that. That's amazing. Just like my friend Conrad, like he likes ants, and ants can do a lot. So, what an amazing day. But, yeah, God bless everyone.